Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I wanted to come on today and share with you some laces that I now have in my Etsy store. And of course you can find a link to the Etsy in the description box below the video. But I wanted to come on and show you firsthand what I've got in the store. And this is the first one, and this is so beautiful. I just put this in my vintage Paris kit, the flea market kit. It's so pretty. I wonder if I have something dark that I could... Ooh, that would be good. There, you can see that. Look how pretty that is. And this lace is from England, and as I explained on my other video, this lace comes from the oldest company, lace company in England, and they made the lace for Princess Diana and Kate Middleton's wedding dresses. So this is beautiful. It's called Cluny lace. It's absolutely gorgeous. And again, these are limited quantities. I do have more from this company coming, but it could take a little while because it's coming from England, so that could take just a little bit to get here. This I have in stock now too. It's a beautiful pink ruffle trim. So there you can see that one. Let me try and get this straight here. There we go. It's so soft and pretty. It's an organza trim, and it looks beautiful with the rhinestone trim down the center, or some flat back pearls, or even another lace in the center would be pretty. I've got, I think, 3 yards of this one in the store at the moment, and I'm looking for more. So beautiful trim for shabby chic projects. And then I have this one, which is also from the same company as this one. Another gorgeous trim, and limited quantities again of this until the new laces arrive. So beautiful, look at that. And at the top, this is such fine work here. And this is another beautiful Cluny lace. It's so gorgeous, so soft. And the patterns that are on these laces are patterns that were unique to this lace maker, and these patterns have been in their family since the 1760s, I believe, and they recreated the same patterns. So these are very old lace patterns, which is really cool. I love vintage and antique things. So again, limited quantities of that. And then I have this beautiful trim, which I love. Let me just get the right way here. This is almost 6 inches, this one. Is that the right way? Oh my goodness, I can't tell. No, it's not. That's the right way. It's a clear, like a see-through net. I'm just holding it on the purple so you can see it. And then it's got all this beautiful embroidery on the bottom. Beautiful cream scalloped edge. And then there you can see the true color. It's like a dusty pink and cream with little green leaves. So pretty. So, so pretty. And it's 6 inches from the top of the tulle to the bottom of the scallop. So I have that one. I also have quite a bit of this, and I have more of this one coming. This is everybody's favorite lace. I'll put it on here again. It just seems to show it off on a darker background better. This is a beautiful ecru color. Gorgeous cotton trim. I love this lace. It's one of my favorites for shabby chic projects, doily books. I love it. So there's a fair bit of that, and I have more coming. And then I have this gorgeous lace, which I shared in my shabby chic Again, hard to tell which way is the right way because both sides look so pretty. I shared this in my shabby chic clutch kit. And this is another 6-inch lace with the beautiful, gorgeous embroidered roses at the bottom. And it's got the tulle at the top. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I just love it. It's so gorgeous. And then you've got the little flower down here. You could cut these motifs out, each one. And I just noticed, if you put it that way, that looks like a little crown there. Can you see that? It looks like a little crown. So you could cut that out. But, oh, so gorgeous. I love that. So I have some of that to share in the store. And last but not least, I have this beautiful trim, which I just absolutely adore. It looks like that. And it's another 6-inch lace with the beautiful taupe embroidery and the netting on top. Isn't that gorgeous? They look like little cameos to me. That's what kind of drew me to this lace. They're so pretty. I just love embroidered laces. They're my favorite, I think. So those are all in my Etsy right now. If you go over and take a look, you will see all of these beautiful, gorgeous trims, and there will be more to come soon. Also, thank you to everyone who has ordered from my Etsy, who bought the napkins. I have more napkins coming because they've been going rather quickly. There is a few left if you want some of the napkins. So I would go over and check it out. Look at the beautiful pink. It all looks so pretty together. So, so pretty. So go check out my Etsy. The link is below, and get yourself some of these beautiful laces and trims, and maybe pick up one or two napkins that I have left in there. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon. The link's below. Bye-bye.